Hello, beautiful soul. This video is finding you right on time. Right on time. It's, I'm feeling the energy of Lord Shani, Shani Dev. If you have any knowledge about Hinduism, you probably have heard about it. But if you haven't, I will tell you. It's May 16 is going to be uh, Lord Shani's day, basically. It's going to be Shani Amavasya. Amavasya means the dark moon, as people call it, when there is no moon in the sky, or the new moon, as people call it. But it's like it's Shani Amavasya, and the day of Lord Shani is Saturday. So the Shani Amavasya is falling on Saturday, which is such a rare event. It is on May 16. So if you find this in the time of May 16 on this time, great. But still, this message is linked to this energy. So if you're feeling this energy, Shanidev is called Shanidev is a really, like, it's a really powerful energy. I don't know, I cannot explain it, but I'll try to explain it. On this day, if you're finding it in time of May 16, then make sure that you're wearing black clothes or you're wearing dark blue clothes. And Lord Shani is known for giving blessings. I know people call that Shani Dev is like, people really fear Shani Dev because Shani Dev is also the one that is told to be appearing in the time of when you are when you are leaving this earth, right? So people are really scared of this dark energy, but it's actually not that. It's not like that. When you are a really kind person, when you have good karma, when you are consistently always kind to people, even when they are not kind to you, you are also kinder to people who are under you, like people who work below you, people who are younger than you, people who are not as smart as you, but you're still kind towards them, you still respect them, and you respect elders. Like, you're kind, you're a really good person. Shanidev rewards you a lot when you are a good person. Even when there is a panoti going on, like the 7 year cycle when you are being tested over and over again, even in that time period, if you are consistently, constantly, always kinder to people, you will get blessings. You will still get blessings. There are so many people who are going through Sade Sati, which is like 7.5 year cycle of Shani Dev. They have experienced a lot of blessings in that time as well. Even when they are actually being tested, they actually experience a lot of blessings in their life because they are doing it the right way. They are doing it the right way. And I know that you are the type of person who is kind to people. Like, you are a really beautiful soul, but especially you have such a kind, sweet energy that you are nice to people. You are very well mannered and you have really good karma. Sure, you have been tested. You felt like you were being tested in a situation, but it was happening for you. It was happening for you. And sure, it sounds mysterious, but this video is finding you for a reason and you are feeling this energy. I'm not going to make this a long video. It's a very short message. So I'll keep it to the point. Shanidev also drives away the darkness, right? I mean, obviously, if you read more into it, it's more deeper than that. But right now, I'm getting the message that Shanidev wants to drive away the darkness from your life. But they want you to let go of it first. Like, if you let go of something that is, let's say, how do I say this dark bangle? The black bangle is right here, metal bangle. So let's say this is not good for me. And Shani Dev is here to take this away because this is not good for me. And I'm holding it like this. So if Shani Dev, God, tries to take this away from me, it's going to be painful because I'm holding it so tight. But if I just leave it here, it's like, okay, it's here. Okay. Then it's so easy for the divine energy to come forward and take it away from you, right? Sounds very simple, I know. So basically, this video is appearing in front of you as a message, as a wake up call, kind of. It's like as an instruction that loosen your attachment a little bit. It's not like just leave person. I'm not saying leave things or leave this person or whatever. I just got so choked up. This is very emotional for you, but it's like, just loosen it a little bit. It's like, just keep it in front of you. But like, just keep it in front of you. Don't hold it so tight. Don't hold it so tight. Like, I don't want this to go away. No, just keep it here. Oh, this is here. This is still here. I still have this. Like, keep it here. Loosen your clutch, loosen your attachment a little bit in whatever way you can. Some people write letters about it. Some people pray about it. Some people just meditate about it. Whatever you feel like you feel comfortable with, do that. Writing a letter is like so easy. It's just like this thing, or this person, whatever it is, and you write down, and you, in the end, you say, I'm letting go. I'm letting go. By letting go, it doesn't mean like literally leaving. It's just like letting go of the attachment. So this is why this video is appearing in front of you. Let me know if this found you on May 16th, because that's like very lucky. But found you on whichever date, whichever day. This is this video is carrying this energy. Okay, the Shani Amavasya energy, and this is like driving away all the darkness. I am really proud of you for arriving to this step, because it was not easy. I know it was not easy, I can feel it, but you still came here, and I'm so 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 proud of you for that. I have a ritual for you down below. If you feel like doing it, I highly recommend doing this. It will really help you. It is down below. Okay, otherwise it's okay. But write that letter. Okay, and I love you so much. I'm sending you so much good energy, and a big hug and a forehead kiss, because you deserve it. I will see you in my next reading, next video, very, very soon.